Hey up guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes and look at this little beast. It's an Aprilia Tuono V4. It's the 1100 version, so it's the bigger engine one. What an absolute beast this thing is, and we'll get to the noise of it in a second. Give you some facts and figures. It's a 2016 on a 16 plate. It's done 8,759 miles. So what's it got? So it's got power modes, it's got launch control, most of the traction. Also, it's got a tail tidy on this one. The Pro Race exhaust, as you can see, billet levers, change of the screen at the front as well, just to give you a little bit of extra, especially at high speed. Also the seat cowl at the back, see it turned on. But the best thing about this is the noise it gives. That V4 engine's mega. We'll give it a start up and a quick tickle. Don't know if you heard that, but it was pretty loud. Anyway guys, all you need to do to see this or get it bought, pop down at Jordanbikes or simply just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.